How to log into QuickBooks account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your QuickBooks account, whether you're using QuickBooks Online for business or personal finance. I'll guide you through the login process, so let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to QuickBooks Login page. Simply type in www.quickbooks.intuit.com. Now, once you're on the QuickBooks website, you can simply choose to visit the US site or a global site. I'm going to be choosing go to global site. Now, once you've done that, simply locate and click the sign in button. You can do that by tapping on 3 horizontal bars and click on login. For this tutorial, I'm going to be choosing QuickBooks Online. And if you're using another QuickBooks product like QuickBooks Self-Employed or QuickBooks Desktop, select the appropriate one. After you've done that, simply enter the email address associated with your QuickBooks account. This is the email you used when you signed up for your QuickBooks Online, or you can also use your phone number as well. Next, enter your password in the password field and make sure you enter it correctly, as the login process is case sensitive. After entering your email and password, simply click the sign in button to access your QuickBooks account. And that's it. That's how you simply log into your QuickBooks account.